where the bird is. The squirrels live.
Okay. I would add just maybe this fourth step. Now, does this look like it's very complicated? We have 4 steps here.
No.
No. Now, you guys, how you're going to be judged is by how well the picture turns out.
But what if you can't draw anything?
Now, did I say I'm judging your artistic ability?
No.
No, I'm never judging your artistic ability. What's going to happen is you are going to choose to draw something, okay? Something to write about, to draw. Then you have to make sure that you're very clear with your directions. Because notice, when Caleb told me to put a circle on it, what did I do? I drew a circle over here, right? Because that's still part of my picture. So was that direction very clear? No. When Stevie told me to draw 2 lines, notice I drew 2 lines. Was that what she meant?
No.
No. Amber told me to draw the ground. I had 3 different ideas there, didn't I?
Yes.
You need to be very clear with your directions. Don't tell me to draw a line. What does that mean? Do you want a straight line? Do you want a squiggly line? Do you want your line to be horizontal? Or do you want it to be vertical? Maybe you want it to be left diagonal. Maybe you want it to be right diagonal.
I thought horizontal was that way. Oh.
Horizontal.
Are you serious?
Vertical. Okay. When you tell me to draw a circle, do you want a big circle? Or would you like a little circle?
Or a medium.
When you tell me to draw 2 lines, you guys know me. I'm kind of a smart aleck, aren't I?
Yeah.
What I should have
No
done.
offense. No offense.
Oh,
Would that not have followed Stevie's directions?
No.
I would have drawn 2 lines going up. There you go, that's 2 lines. She didn't tell me how long they should be, so be specific about it. Okay? Be specific. Of course you should be real specific. Because the more specific you are, the more likely that drawing will turn out somewhat according to what you had pictured.
Can we just
Okay?
really easy?
Sophie.
Yeah. What Haley said. Can we just
Something
something
like
easy,
a
not
smiley
hard?
face,
Like a heart.
Now, because I knew that would come up. Yes, the object that you draw could be easy,
But, it
but
has to be very
there's
detailed.
always a catch, isn't there?
But there has to be
Guess
very
what?
detail.
I want there to be a minimum
No, we should stop.
One.
Stop. Minimum of
Oh,
one.
God.
One. Of
10.
of step.
Oh.
No.
10.
No.
Yay!
Stop.
I want there to be a minimum
Okay.
of 10
I wouldn't make
steps.
Dude, I got us something.
Guys, that wouldn't be that hard. As of right now, we have 4 steps. I could easily come up with 6 more to go along with this picture of a tree. Maybe it's not just 1 tree. Maybe you have 2 trees. Maybe you have 3 trees. Guess what? If I just have 2 trees right there, this is already 4 steps, right? I just added 3 more steps. No, because you got to remember, I already have the ground.
Tap the heart.
So I just added 3 more. So there's 7.
Tap the heart.
Okay.
Do that.
Well, why couldn't you just say draw another tree?
Because they don't know where
Look
to
at
put
it. Draw another tree like something.
They can put it in the sky.
They can draw it in the sky. Maybe it's growing underneath the other tree.
Upside
Maybe,
down.
maybe it's growing inside the other tree.
Mr. You said question.
Preposition.
Remember, use what did I just hear? Use what?
Preposition.
Use prepositions. Okay, use your adjectives. Use your adverbs. Give me great details. Guys, this all goes right back to the idea trait over there. Brett.
I have like 2 questions.
Yeah.
Are we gonna make a video?
No,
What do you say?
we do not have enough time to make a video. But
What
I
do
do need to
these
explain
do?
something
Oh, I
else.
have a question.
And can someone steps here like get through the paper and stuff?
No, I want the steps to be just about the drawing. Okay? That's a good question, though. That was a really good question. Okay, now, here's how I am going to grade. I will have a rubric for you guys later, okay? Because I've been trying to think, how can I grade this? Well, one of the things I know I can come up with, do you have 10 steps? Do you have good directions? Now, the way that we're going to get to see if the artist, the person drawing it, can follow your directions is because we're going to put them up here for all of us to see. Okay? Mr. Reese may have your paper in his hand, and he's going to show the drawing up on the board. Now, does that mean that we're going to be allowed to make fun of anyone's drawing abilities?
No.
Of course not. I mean, my goodness, look at that. That is very elementary, isn't it? Okay? I am not an artist. I do not judge you guys on it. I will judge, did you follow that person's directions? And now, the person drawing it, because I want to make sure that you don't just throw it off just because you can, you're going to have a grade attached to